I'm Zach, the lining foreman for Lanz Underground. We are over here working at a restaurant in downtown Champaign. We are working on the sewer line that runs under this road about 15 feet deep. There's a hole at the top of the pipe right by the main, and we are installing a patch liner to fix that so they don't have to dig and rip up across 2 lanes of traffic.
Our client contacted us after their drain cleaning company had been out several times to address slow drains in their restaurant. They continued to have drain issues and were looking for a more permanent fix. Our camera inspection found evidence of damage to their sewer line that we will repair with a patch system. We started the project with a camera inspection to verify there were no changes since our initial inspection of the problem area. Now our team works together to hydro-jet the damaged pipe. This cleans the interior of the pipe so we can perform an effective patch. After verifying pipe condition with a camera again, we prepare the patch in our mobile workshop, then bring it into the work site to apply the resin. The patch is inserted into the sewer line, and our team verifies that it is properly placed. We then apply air pressure and allow the patch to cure while our team monitors their equipment. One more camera pass to ensure the patch cured fully and our customer is back in business with a long-term solution. If you are experiencing slow drains or sewer smells at your business, contact the Lanz Underground team for a solution that lasts.